Hi everyone, welcome to my latest Lightroom tutorial. Today we will learn to make the preset you can see on the screen. Here are some before and after pictures. If you would like the original preset file, you can download it for free by finding the password in this tutorial. Detailed instructions can be found in the description. Let's begin. Open the light section. Exposure, plus 0.26. Contrast, plus 5. Highlights, minus 35. Shadows, plus 32. Whites, plus 4. Blacks, minus 18. Let's go to the tone curve. Edit the main curve this way. Let's make these changes to the red curve. Make the following changes to the green curve. Modify the blue curve this way. Open the color section. Vibrance, plus 16. Saturation, plus 1. And we're finished. To keep up to date with new tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Check out the rest of this channel for more free presets. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.